Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. Go to f2bbs.com. www.f2bbs.com. The last bastion of free speech on the interweb.
So anyhow, guys, I've gone to the bank, I got my money, and I'm ready to go. I don't know what to say. Accepted. And also be careful with your spam mail. So if I had been a bit more vigilant checking my credit card at times, this disaster would not have happened. But anyhow, this is water under the bridge, and I got a few choices. I can, 1, buy the Birkin and sell it. I could 2, buy the Birkin, spray paint it and sell it. Or 3, use it as a fashion icon for myself. You know, I'm a pretty progressive sort of guy, and I'm a bit of a trendsetter. If anyone's going to pull this off, it's going to be me. So let's give this baby a bit of a shot. I'd like to give it a squirt. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I think the problem is they get a lot of idiots come in. You know. Let's have a look. I got a card for you too.
No.
For you.
Thank you.
Oh, you don't even want to open it.
No.
It's okay. You can't actually.
I thought you were afraid of the opening the back.
I can cut it. It's okay.
Paris. Ah, no, that.
I want to have fun with you, you know. These gifts aren't free, you know.
Thank you.
So I got there about 12 o'clock, just before 12. So it wasn't as busy as last time we were there. And she had it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was fairly... Excited or not? Tell me how excited. Excited. 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Give me excited. Are you as excited as when we got our car? Or not?
Yeah.
More excited or less?
Oh, the car.
You didn't care. What do you think? So just before you open, what do you think it's going to make you happy or not? What do you think?
Yes.
Happiness? Long life together?
Yes.
What do you think? Excited? Were you dreaming about it? Thinking about him coming today or not?
Yes.
What did you think?
Exciting. Pink.
Don't lose that bag, by the way. She said, because that's a Hermes bag, you know?
Yeah. This beautiful.
Look at that. What do you think? What do you think?
It's really good condition, you know?
Oh, it's amazing. What do you think of him? Have a look. What do you think? You can take that off now if you like. Take that hook got that this here off, because it just threads through. Just threads through there. Just take that off. We'll take it off. Yeah, because I don't want to put pressure on the bag. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Have a look inside. He's gorgeous. You see the handles are in great condition too. They were wearing twirlies. You know the twirlies?
Nice red inside.
What do you think?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
What do you think of that? Is it better than the other one, or how do you feel?
Condition might be better.
She said her dream one's the black one, she said. That's the thing for the lock.
Right, yeah.
So I'll grab that.
It's beautiful.
What do you think? Is he beautiful or not? So you can actually tuck that in at the back. It folds in here, like that, completely in. Because that's the whole idea of this bag. She explained to me how to use it. Because you can actually carry it like this.
Yeah, that's right.
So you can access.
Put this here.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, otherwise.
So what do you think? The Birkins?
It's good condition, isn't it? Normal.
I think that leather's no, but that leather is harder than the other one. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So there we go. That's it. What do you think of him?
Beautiful. I'm trying not to touch the handle.
Yes.
It's beautiful, pink.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the Pontiff goes. You know, some of my Patek's came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.